We just got the one AK that you lost then.
Ready? When he comes back, when he comes back, he's gonna kid up.
Let's go.
Wait, fuck. I lost 2 AK.
Wait, let's see what happens.
It's gonna live.
Oh, no, Blake, let him come.
Pick out check.
Run away.
They'd be in this place here. You have your water pipe.
Gotta take some precautions because of the door campers, you feel?
Take some precautions for door camps. Well, I think he's inside the base. He's gonna get the AK and come this way, Blake.
Use.
Hard to kill both of them.
He's gonna come for the AK, get ready. Left side. Ready? Big!
Kill him.
Take his armor. One down.
Push together.
Just run. Take the armor, The armor. Come this way. Wait. Just come this way, just run. I got you.
Run up towards the hill.
Run. Alright, he's tagged up. I've got the AK, I don't want to fucking risk it for
do you have an
pythons.
AK?
Yeah, I don't want to risk it for pythons. Wait, they're peeking.
I'm surging.
Run.
I'm fine.
Oh, make stashes, let's play. Can you make stashes? I'm making stash.
I don't think we're gonna have enough time for that. They're gonna start shooting in a sec.
No, they're not chasing. They're like, just watch out. You good?
Yeah.
He's going
They're
LR.
shooting at you. That's an AK.
No, that's an LR, Blake, trust me.
That one there is an LR.
Holy
Let
shit!
them-
I'm almost dead! Oh!
You got syringes?
Yeah, Blake, this way, come left, Blake. Not divert, there's someone there, watch out, naked. Come left, Blake.
I am. Are they still chasing?
I don't know, Blake, just come left with me. I don't know where you're going
I
right.
have cut left, so sorry.